technical.
Momentum is the product of a body's mass and its velocity. Momentum, plural is momenta, is usually represented by the symbol P.
Impulse is the change in momentum. Impulse is force times time. Right now these apples are free from each other. When they're let go, they are going to have a certain momentum. Once they hit each other, after the collisions, they will have the same amount of momentum because of the law of the conservation of momentum, even though the momentum may be transferred from one apple to another, as shown here. There is a friction force, but had there not been a friction force, they would have kept the same momentum. The change in momentum is usually represented by delta P, and even though the change of momentum is the same as impulse, impulse is represented by J.
In order to change impulse, we have to change one of the variables in the equation J equals F times T. Usually we change the T. Isn't that right, Tila?
That's right. To change the impulse, we usually change the time that the force is acting on the object.
If I were to tap the apple for about a second, there would be less impulse on it because the amount of time that the force was being applied was less. But if I were to push it, the amount of impulse would be greater because the amount of time the force was being applied is greater.
By adding more time, we can also make the force less on the object that it is being applied to. For instance, if I were to jump off of these stairs and bend my knee, that would make the time greater, so that the force on my knees would be less. You can put in...
I need some water, Lizzie.
I have soda.
No, I don't want soda. Oh, leave it to me.
Where are you going?
Wait,